Another class of Microsoft Intune MD102. I am Manjeet Rawat, your online instructor, and in this class I am going to guide you about one of the really important topic for every Intune administrator. Guys, as you are aware about, with the help of Microsoft Intune portal, we are able to configure GPO group policy to our enrolled devices. Your GPO will be applicable for all the types of Windows operating system like Windows 10 and Windows 11. Multiple policies are available that are applicable for another type of operating systems like Mac operating system, Android and Linux. But today we are going to talk about really important topic. Yes, I am talking about ADMX profile. How we can configure GPO with the help of ADMX template, because whenever we apply or configure GPO for our enrolled devices, we are able to find two different options. You can proceed with the existing available policies, or you can configure your policy by on with the help of ADMX files. So in this class, I'll try to give you the complete information related to the ADMX, because most of the organization ask you to set up custom policy as per the requirement of company, as per the requirement of client. So what I did for this particular task, this is our Windows based machine and Windows 11 computer that I'm currently using, and let me log in it with the help of administrator, and the machine is available in workgroup because I don't want to skip any step. Give you the complete detail, enrollment, then configure GPO, apply GPO to our enrolled machine. This is fresh Windows 10 computer, Windows 11 machine, and I'm trying to enroll it directly to the Microsoft Intune portal. So meanwhile, let me log in my Microsoft Intune portal by using the intune.portal.com, and you guys are aware about the prerequisite. What are the things that we need to keep in our mind to like as a configure to manage the policies over Intune. So very first step, you need to log in intune.portal, intune.microsoft.com, right? This is the URL that you can use to access. Try to open your Microsoft Intune portal with the help of root account. So this is my root account. Let me identify the number of users that I have already created. So we are able to see multiple users are available like Tony, Test, Telnet and Raj. Multiple users are available. So this is my Telnet user, and to Telnet user I have already assigned the license of Microsoft Intune that can help us to enroll any type of devices, right? So let me open office.com, because the license part always managed by Microsoft 365 admin center. We cannot make any changes with the license by using another platform like Intra admin center or another exchange admin centers that we have. So let me open our admin panel using same root account. Fine, so I'm going to access the Microsoft 365 admin center to verify how many licenses are available for Intune enrollment purpose. So let me click here, and it gives us option of admin. Click on admin center. It will give you the details related to the number of users that we have already created. So here we are able to see the Telnet user, right? This is the Telnet user, and let me check how many licenses we assigned to this Telnet. Go to the license. Need to provide the license of Microsoft Intune, right? Two licenses we successfully assigned to this Telnet user. One is Intune Plan 1 and another is Microsoft 365 E3. Now your user is applicable. Now your user is authorized to enroll any devices. I'm going back to the on-premises machine, right? This is fresh Windows 11 computer, and I'm trying to enroll this machine with the help of MDM discovery URL. So to enroll our device with the help of MDM discovery URL, right click, go to the accounts and click on access worker school, and whenever we click on the access worker school, it gives us option enroll only device management. Let me provide the email address, right? telnet@teachmecloud.blog, right? teachmecloud.blog. This is our domain, and please proceed and provide password and MDM discovery URL. This is complete video for ADMX. I'm trying to give you the each and every steps from scratch. Multi-factor authentication configured for this particular user, so please authorize it, right? You will get a notification on your Microsoft Authenticator app. Provide the same number that you are seeing on display. Fine. So this is first step, our responsibility to enroll our machine to Microsoft Intune portal. We successfully connected our machine with the help of telnet user, and let me identify the name of computer, and after that we are going to apply the policy CMD, and the name of policy computer name, just need to check host name, and the computer name is demo PC. So within 5 minutes you will get the access of this machine over a portal with name of demo-PC. 10 computers are already available. Unfortunately, currently we are not able to see any machine with name of demo PC, right? We just activated, so you have to wait for a few more minutes. Multiple policies are available, so I need to remove the policy because I don't want to apply this any policy to this new machine that we are trying to enroll, because machine should be in compliance that we can easily perform the task of ADMX GPO. Now removed all the policies and wait for a few more minutes. Windows 10, still we are not able to see demo PC that we just enrolled because it required up to 5 to 7 minutes. So you have to wait, and definitely will get the access of our the new device. Now guys, let's talk about the concept of ADMX. To configure any kind of GPO, you know that we just need to open Windows. Under the Windows, we are able to see the configuration panel, and in the configuration, two options are available. One, you can create a new policy, and the second option, if you have already downloaded the template of ADMX, you can easily upload the template and create policy as per the requirement. Let me give you the details about the gap between ADMX template and creating a new profile or new policy. So whenever we proceed a new policy, it means that you are going to select the existing policy that provided by Microsoft Intune. But you decided I want to configure separate policy for my enrolled device, right? So in this case, very basic steps required. You just need to open Google, or you need to open any Microsoft site, and here we need to type download ADMX template for control panel, and you can also type the name of operating system for Windows 11, right? We are trying to download the ADMX template for control panel setting in Windows 11 operating system. So very basic steps required. Just need to open Microsoft site because the Microsoft site is trusted, and I wanted to download the complete package of ADMX for Windows 11 operating system, because the current machine that we are using on premises, this is Windows 11 based machine, right? So let me download the file. Very basic steps required to download. This is administrative template .admx for Windows 11. You need to download it, and let's proceed for the next step. This is complete package, but you can download the ADMX format for the specific profile policy, like the network policy, Wi-Fi policy, or you are going to configure any browser policy, so you can do that. First step, download ADMX, and second step, please install this ADMX file. Just need to proceed and install, accept the term and license. It will give you the path, right? Your path will be C program file 86 group policy Windows 11 September 2024, update this and install. Once you install this ADMX template in C drive, you will find one dedicated folder. So it is in progress. Please wait for a few more minutes. finish. We successfully install. Second step, go back to the C drive, select program files. Under the program file, click on group policy, and here we are able to see the application that we just installed. This application we just installed 331. Open it, policy identification, and here you can find every policy. Let me check any policy related to the control panel. Yes, control panel.admx file available. So to set up group policy for group policy using ADMX, two files are required. Let me show you. Open Intune portal. Let me verify the device. I hope we'll get the access of new device that we just enrolled. All devices. 11 devices are available. Let me check demo PC. Yes, your demo PC is successfully enrolled with the help of Telnet user at 7th of Jan at this time, right? Now everything is okay. Please select configuration, click on import ADMX, select import, and it will ask, can you please upload two files? One is ADMX file and another is ADML file. ADMX is the template of group policy and ADML is the language file, right? So whatever policy that you want to configure manually using template, you should provide the language as well. So I have already downloaded and installed. Please select. I'm just going to click on desktop. You can directly proceed with the C drive, program files, and here we are able to see the option of group policy, Windows 11, group policy identification. What policy do you want to apply? Audio related policy, application related policy, whatever policy that you want to upload, you need to upload two files. So I have already created a one dedicated folder on desktop. Let me open it, and here let me check one folder which is related to the control panel.admx. I'm going to upload. In the same folder, ADML file available. So these two files are required. So these two files are applicable, or you just need to check with another one, which is related to Firefox. Okay, so I'm just going to open Windows and upload the ADMX file. Same with language, Mozilla ADML, and proceed with next and create. You should upload these two files, and then I'll show you how it can work for our enrolled devices. It is in progress, available. We uploaded for Mozilla, and what about Firefox? So back to the Windows, and let me upload for Firefox. Again in English, firefox.adml. Both the files we successfully created. Wait for a few more minutes. It is in progress. These two files are required to manage the any policy for your Mozilla. It is in progress. Let's wait. Available. And what you need to do, your Firefox policy available. Go to the policy again, click on create policy, select the type of platform, Windows 11 and later. Go to the templates, whatever policy that you are going to configure manually, the all policy will be available in this particular option, imported administrative templates. Click create, and it will give you the same space, demo policy, the name that you are going to decide by self, and it will show you the policy related to the Mozilla. See, this is the policy folder. If you expand it, it will give you the more information. What policy do you want to configure? Application automatic update, auto update, auto launch protocols from origin, and search proxy, whatever policy that you want to apply. Clear data when browser close. So you just need to select this policy. Active logins, browser history, What you want to do that? I want to close the browser history. When we close the browser, just need to enable it. Next, and logged to policy I'm going to configure for our enrolled devices. This is the panel. Do you want to apply it for the specific user? Please add group, add all users, and add all devices. Always try to apply the policy to the specific user. So your user must be part of one dedicated group. So I think I have already added this user to any specific group. Let me check. Go to the identity. Your group must be a security group. Telnet is our user, but I already add this user or move the user to Intune policy. Let me check it. How many members are available? Okay, no. Intune group. Telnet. Intune group is our group, and we added a user with name of Telnet at teachmecloud.blog. So back to the policy, add group, select your Intune group, because the Telnet user is part of this Intune group. Proceed with next, and now we successfully created a policy. We successfully saved the policy, and it will take time, and definitely it will impact to our connected devices. I hope everyone okay with the points that we discussed. This is the complete practical of ADMS. Try to do that. Always try to download the ADMX file from the Microsoft template and upload the ADMX and ADML file to configure our on-good policy. Let me know if you have any doubt or questions. Please reach out to me. I'll definitely help you. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye. Stay tuned with Teach Me Cloud. Bye guys.